Hi guys, it's Grace from SignMonkey. I'm going to show you how to install these dimensional letters using our double-sided tape method. Start by taping the top of the pattern to the wall. Once leveled, secure the top of the pattern with another line of tape. Cut the pattern between the letters every foot or so. Lift from the bottom of the pattern and gently separate the release liner from the vinyl. Slowly secure the vinyl to the wall. Small bubbles or creases will not affect the process. Slowly peel the top layer of release liner while securing the vinyl pattern to the wall. This vinyl is low tack and easy to remove, leaving no residue. Remove the plastic from the adhesive tape on the back of each letter. Align your letter with the pattern and press firmly to ensure the tape is securely holding the letter to the wall. The vinyl pattern will have a horizontal cut, making the removal fast and easy. Peel from one corner, working your way around each letter. Be sure to get the small pieces in any corners of the letters. Now that was fast and easy.